Good morning, everybody. It's Bob. In the last few videos, I think from what I've seen is exactly why I started this channel. And not because of the subject matter directly. I started this channel to help out people. And I give my perspective from my experiences in the area that I'm in. And the comments show that it doesn't matter where you are in the Philippines, things are different. Things are operated differently. Sometimes the same, sometimes differently. And how people handle situations such as power outages, there were some really good suggestions in those comments. And people apparently got some good ideas from what I mentioned that I am planning on doing and am doing right now to help counter the different power situations. And again, that's why I started this channel because, again, when I was looking at it 3 years ago, 3.5 years ago, right in through there, um, there were no channels that were really doing that. There may have been some, but I never saw them. Never saw them. And yes, I do get some nasty comments. That's okay. It's fine. The good outweighs the bad. And sometimes, what somebody comments they think is mean, and I think this happened once or twice in the last few videos, or maybe sarcastic, it was actually pretty good ideas. And it's these comments and the things that I do say seem to be helping other people. And that's what I aim for. Every area in the Philippines has their own way of how they conduct business and their own way of how they deal with things. Cities deal with different things. They deal with things differently than the provincial areas. Cebu deals with things differently than they do in Manila. It's just how it works here in the Philippines. And I thank you for all the comments that have been made with those other videos. If you haven't seen the other videos, the last two, I think, go ahead and look back at them. I'm not doing that to get views, but look at some of the comments. And some of you may have already have known that stuff. And some of you may have not known some of the things that suggestions that they said. Now, somebody did suggest get solar panels. Well, the only way I could get solar panels here is if they're portable, because I rent. I don't own the building. I can't just throw solar panels up. I've already thought about getting one of those folding, uh, like solar panels, and it has a battery bank with a power bank, and using that for different things. But I got so many power banks here, including my laptops, that as far as powering different things, I have the power to do it for a while, uh, if not 12, anywhere between 12 to 24 hours. Um, but I still wouldn't mind having that. And then when we go visit the province, having that with me, because it happens a lot more out there where she's from than it does here. Um, Somebody did mention in my power outage one of the power outage ones, about the local um, spin-off electric company off the major one that's here, how they give them warnings and all that. And I'm with that same electric company, and I've had different experiences with them. The way they communicate their outages is on Facebook, and I get that here because everything here is on Facebook. Everything here is from Facebook. However, here where I am at, we don't necessarily get a lot of power outages. We don't. Um, Lately, they've been upgrading the system at the Subic Bay base and international airport, because they're trying to make that into a more international airport, apparently. Um, so they've been upgrading the power over there. They've been putting new equipment there and having to shut down everything just to install and test the equipment. And they tell us about that. And sometimes it's been down, anywhere between 4 to 12 hours. Okay, fine. It's the other rolling blackouts that you'll see on Facebook that they tell you an hour or less prior that it's going to happen. And sometimes maybe they don't know because of loads. Other times maybe they do. They just hold it off. Who knows? But the issue with the brownouts here is, and I know I'm beating a dead horse with this, I've already talked about it, is that it's really strange that when the politicians said they were going to investigate the power company, all of a sudden there's no brownouts, but yet it's been if not as warmer than it's been, and yet the same loads have been on, and we haven't had any rolling brownouts since that the politicians said that they were going to investigate the company. I find that interesting. To me, that's kind of a red flag. Last year it was hot too, but not as hot as this year. And I don't remember the rolling blackouts like they are now, the intentional blackouts. But yeah, that's back on the comments and all. That's why I started this channel, and I love it. I love the good comments. I love the bad comments. Thank you for all the comments. As long as it helps people, that's my main goal. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking about coming to the Philippines, or maybe you've been here and you never thought of the what to do during the brownouts or whatever, maybe read those comments, and there's some good ideas in there on both the last two videos that I made. So I will end the video with this. A big thank you for everybody. Keep the comments coming in. Keep the ideas coming in, good or bad. And I will see everybody in the next video.